Hi and welcome to your Pranayama tutorial. So this is the second tutorial that you will have for Pranayama, and this is a form of breathing that is really great to help you go to sleep at night. So it's called Brahmari and it's a bit of a funny one. It takes sometimes a little bit of getting used to. Basically, this form of breathing that we're going to do, you'll kind of be making a buzzing sound that resembles, it's often referred to as buzzing bee breath. And so it kind of sounds like a bee, but what the vibration of that buzzing does is actually soothes the nervous system. So it will automatically bring you into a state of, parasympathetic rest, digest, heal, and just relax mode. So it's really nice to do before bed. I don't know about you, but I know for myself, like if I'm lying in bed and got a million things going through my mind, this form of breathing really helps to really get a good night's sleep. So you're welcome to use it before bed as well. So when you're ready, come into a seated position and I'll show you what to do with your hands. So there's two options. I like hands on the head. Some people put their hands over their eyes. Your call completely, but I'm going to demonstrate for this demonstration. I'll demonstrate with my hands on my head. You rest your fingers on your head and you're going to use your thumb, and you rest your thumb just in front of the ears for a moment. We're going to take a deep breath in through the nose, and then as you exhale you block the ears and create a buzzing sound. So I'll demonstrate one round for demonstration, then we'll do 10 rounds together. So hands up on the head, take a deep breath in, and then buzz on the exhale, blocking the ears. And so you see how as I buzz, I follow the exhale to the very end and buzz until I run out of breath. And so that would be one round. So as you inhale through the nose, exhale, buzz, and follow it to the very end. We'll do 10 rounds of this together. It does feel a little bit funny when you first start doing it. I know for myself, when I first started doing this pranayama, I felt a little bit crazy. I promise you, the louder that you buzz, the better it is for your nervous system. It's a bit of a mental game to move through that, but it's good to do it before bed. So let's do it together. I promise it's not weird. So bring your hands up onto your head and just rest your thumbs just in front of the ears. And then take a deep breath in, and we'll do 10 rounds together. So exhale, blocking the ears and buzzing. Releasing your hands back down into your lap when you're ready. And just take 3 deep breaths into the belly. Allow the belly to expand. And as you exhale, gently softening the shoulders away from the ears and relax. And you're welcome to stay here for as long as you wish. But if you would like to exit this pranayama practice, you're welcome to draw your chin down to your chest Slowly open your eyes up and come back into a waking state when you're ready. And so that is the practice of Brahmari, and excellent to help you go to sleep at nighttime.